Kia butsana yare swarela ndivi aramarena kotleli mapa otlekima ya swana li Jesu kima ya swana li Jesu kia butsana yare swarela ndivi aramarena otleli mapa otlekima ya swana li Jesu. So one of you requested this song Kema Yasana Holy Jesu by Neyi Zimu. So I will first break it down in G sharp and I'll go to F sharp and C sharp. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this on YouTube, I mean to say Facebook or TikTok, go to my YouTube channel and check full video, right? So before any waste of time, guys, let me break it down this song, ne? So it starts right here. You can do something like Kimang ya sana li Jesu, like alright, so very simple. Kimang ya re swara divi haramarena otheli mapasi motek ya swana li Jesu. Then yeah, you are done your song. This is our song, ne? So it starts on like it says Kima ya swana li Jesu kia butsana yare swanela divi. Then you go to this one aramare, you come back to this one otleli mapa, you go to this one Kima ya, then you go to this one, you go to this one, then close it, ne? So very simple. It's one, ne? Then 5 1, then you go to 4, then you go to 6, then you go to 5, then you close it. So I don't think I'm simple. I mean I'm too fast because of like this is very simple, guys, ne? So there is this part hayo 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 ya swana li Jesu aramarena otleli mapasi otlekima ya swana li Jesu. So it's 3 2, ne? Then you go to 1 5 Yaswana li Jesu 1 Arama, 1 second inversion, this one, ne? Then you say Aramarena, first inversion Aramarena otleli mafas, like Aramarena otleli maf, like otleli mafas otlekima, yeah. Then 6, then 5, then you close it. So very simple, very simple. If you didn't understand before any waste of time, let's go to F sharp. Go and check again and again in your preference key, ne? So F sharp is very simple also. This is F sharp, this is F sharp. So it starts right here. Ya swana li Jesu kia butsana yare swarela ndivi haramarena otleli mapa. Okay, very simple as I mentioned. So it's like Kima ya swana li Jesu kia butsana yare swarela ndivi. Then go here harama, then you go back again to 1. So first inversion, ne? Otleli mapa, then you go to 4 6, then 5, then you close it. So guys, you have to learn playing using 2 keys. This one is the same thing. The only difference is the octaves, ne? That is why you see most of the time I play these 2. I want you to master that, you master these things. So yeah, it's like Kima ya swana li Jesu kia butsana yare swana haramarena otleli mafasi otleki ya swana le Jesu. Then you close it, ne? So that part hayo ne, like this one, hayo, this one, hayo, this one, hayo ya swana le Jesu haramarena mafasi otleki ya swana le Jesu. So yeah, this is our song, ne? I don't want to waste time, guys. If you didn't understand in your preference key, go and pause it and go and check again and again until you get this. Okay, so yeah, before any waste of time, again, let's go to C sharp, ne? So in C sharp is also simple, like mang ya swana le Jesu ke ya botsana ya re tshwarela dibi. This one, ne? Haramarena otleli mafasi otleki mang ya swana le Jesu. Then you close it, ne? Very simple, as I mentioned. Ke mang ya swana le Jesu ke ya botsana ya re tshwarela dibi. This one, haramare, this one, otleli mafasi otleki, this one, then you close it. So that part hayo, it starts right here. This one, hayo, ne? Hayo ya swana le Jesu haramarena si otleki ya swana le Jesu. Like hayo, ne? Hayo ya swana le Jesu haramarena. Then yeah, lima. So yeah, thank you for watching.